1, 2, and...
Hi! Welcome back to Disney Adventures. We're here at Disney's Epcot and we're exploring Way of Water, right?
Way of Water.
Yeah, we're exploring Moana. We're exploring Moana Way of Water, and it's this new thing in Epcot, and it looks really cool.
Don't drink the water. You're making music. Music too? Special preview, right? And in case we're wondering, we know who we are, who we are. Oh, look at that. Every time you wave at it.
Yeah.
What? Oh, it is Maui silk, huh? There you go. There's Maui.
Do it again.
Keep waving, Eli. Whoa.
Look at this.
What does that say, Taylor?
Wetland.
Hold on.
Read it?
Sure.
Wetland. Building community. Slowing down as it leaves the hills, our stream spreads out and soaks the soil. This wet ground grows special plants that offer food and a home to water-loving animals. Some of this water stays at the surface, and some continues downward through the ground. No one knows just how far or deep it goes. Did you know that other things can soak into the soil, affecting drinking water we get from the underground? Keep water clean by safely disposing of chemicals. Use all natural products when possible. They are better for the environment. And we do not take the dry path.
We don't take the dry path. Why not?
Because
Please stay on path and keep water clean.
no, we don't take the dry path. We take the wet.
The wet path.
Look at this. It is water. And we love to be wet. We are Moana, guys.
Here's the spring.
Spring. And many times, I don't know. Very close. It's not really close.
Uh-oh.
Aw.
That's all right.
Yeah, naturally, they're a good spot, but
What? That's pretty cool. All right.
It's told you not to run.
Go ahead, Carolyn. Control the water. All right, let's see if I can do it.
I get wet.
You got wet.
Here.
All right, let me do it. All right. All right. Here it is. It's raining. It's pouring. What?
It's the heart. It's the heart of Speedy, guys. I found it. I know. I sweat.
Look, it's the restrooms. This is beautiful. I like this. Oh, look at the water sprout. It's the pee-pee. Caroline, how do you like it?
Cool. It's really calming and it's a really nice experience just to be able to walk through here. I really like it.
The little baby Moana.
Wait, what do you mean that's
Baby Moana in the water.
Oh, yeah!
Sorry, babe. And look, it's Moana herself. Carolyn, Eli.
Here, good. Get on me. Go next to her. Good. Wait, I wanted to show you guys something.
Carolyn, smile. All right. 1, 2, and. Look, even Mom can do it. Oh, the little turtle guy. The one Eli's on work. Here, you do it. We did see Maui on the rock formation. Remember?
We saw his hook.
No, Maui was on the rock formation. I'll show you in the video.
Oh, okay.
Here, you want to stand in the mist? Sorry about that, Carolyn. Oh, they're good, they're good. All right, let's go this way.